In this video, I'll show you how to send money to mobile wallets with Wise. Step 1. Check Wise support for mobile wallets. Confirm Wise offers mobile wallet payments in the recipient's country. Popular choices are Bcash from Bangladesh, M-Pesa from Kenya, M-Pesa from Fiji, and some others. Step 2. Go to Send Money in Wise. Open the Wise app or website. Click Send Money to start a new transfer. Step 3. Select the mobile wallet option. Choose mobile wallet as the receiving method. Enter recipient's wallet provider and mobile phone number. Step 4. Confirm transfer currency and amount. Enter the currency and amount for the transfer. Wise shows available wallets and fees automatically. Step 5. Review details and complete payment. Double check recipient's phone and wallet provider details. Confirm and pay with your chosen method. Step 6. Recipient gets funds instantly. Mobile wallet transfers are usually instant or within a few minutes. The recipient can access funds on their handset. Now I have some tips for you for sending to mobile wallets. Make sure the recipient's wallet account and phone number are active and correct. Always double check. Fees and limits depend on the wallet's provider and Wise's supported regions. Use contact book/recents for repeat transfers. And that's how you send transfers to mobile wallets with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.